having the best of mornings. Broke down on the motorway on my way to training this morning, but thanks to A for recovering. Okay guys, so a quick update on the van. It's been brought to Phil and he has opened the engine up, as you can see, and this timing belt, it has caused some damage. I'll show you the belt itself first. As you can see, it was supposed to have all these teeth, but as it slipped, I would say at least 60-70% of the teeth have gone now. So the mileage on the vehicle is about 54,000 in total. So due to mileage, there was not requirement to change this belt. However, due to age, it should have been changed. And I'll hold my hand up, it was due to my negligence, it was due to lack of service, because there was not much oil left in it. That's what I've been told anyway, guys. Well, yeah, as you can see, the engine is at this stage where some of these rockers, I believe they're called, I'm not sure. Obviously I'm a gas engineer, not a mechanic. But what Phil was saying, that some of these broke, and as you can see, I can see a broken one here as well. And that's what's caused the damage. Now, he said we're not sure exactly how much damage, the top head or the top part, that's kind of damaged, so we'll have to get a new one of that and new one of these rockers. But the valves, we're not sure how many valves they may have bent in the process. So he says they're going to be opening the head up, they're going to be inspecting it further to gauge the actual damage, so then they can price it up. But yes, that's what's happened, and whether it's due to lack of service or a bad design, that's what we're up against now. It's a 2018 van, 54,000 miles, worked perfectly fine up until that morning when it just broke down on me. And here we are. I'll keep you posted with the pricing and what we're going to do next. Okay, so further update, the head's been removed now. This will be sent away for the valves to be checked, just to make sure that the valves are not bent. So this will be sent away, and as soon as we've got that back, we'll know whether the valves are bent or not. But this is what it looks like internally with the head removed. So we're making progress on it, but the earliest we can get this checked now is Monday morning. So we're on Thursday today, so Monday is when somebody can actually, once it's sent away, can check if these valves are bent or not, and then that's when Phil can make a decision on what to do next. So yeah, that's how far we are with this so far, but I'll keep you posted. Stay tuned. Okay, so the head's been returned now with new valves and grinded, as you can see, which is just clearing the top surface so it can be sealed again. So that's what it looks like, and hopefully by end of tomorrow it should be ready. There were 12 bent valves as per Phil, so all of that's been sorted out. It's been sent back to him now, and it will be reassembled. They'll put it back together, and by end of tomorrow we should have the vehicle back. That's the plan anyway. Okie dokie guys, so here we are. Hopefully it'll be ready tomorrow now, because we had a slight delay on some of the parts, but we've got those parts delivered and we're on track. So all of this will be built today, and then it will be tested tomorrow as per Phil, and then once he's happy with it, I will be ready in the afternoon to take it away from here. So the head, as I showed you previously, came back. Phil's placed it here now. There will be a new belt kit to go, there's new pump, there's new cam carrier, I'll just show you. But yep, it's all looking good so far. So let's have a look. Back in Phil's lovely workshop, I love it, all nice and clean, as you can see, well organised, and that's the beauty about it. But let's have a look. So Phil received this today, original from Ford. I asked Phil what it's called, because obviously I'm a gas engineer and electrician by trade, not a mechanic. and he said there's loads of names for it, but he calls it a cam carrier. And that's a modified version from Ford. So that's what it looks like. And what he was telling me, when the rockers broke and stuff like that, and they get stuck in here, it kind of deforms or misaligns these, and it's just one piece. So that's a new part from Ford, as well as he's got a full new kit. There are some new gaskets in here. I'm not sure whether those are for my vehicle or not, but there are some rockers in here as well, as you can see, so some hydraulics and stuff. And he's got the kit lying about somewhere, but he will put it all together today, and then it will be tested. Obviously all the new gaskets and stuff like that, the new timing belt or wet belt kit, as well as new water pump and stuff. And then as soon as it's ready, he will give me a shout and I'll come back to collect it. I'll pay the invoice, drive the vehicle away, and I will keep you guys posted on how we kind of what we find after that point as well. So I'll drive up a few days and I'll give you an update at the back of that, and we'll take it from there. But so far, very promising. Phil's kind of delivered everything that he said he would. The only delay was in parts, which he made it clear to me by remaining in kind of contact, and everything was communicated thoroughly. So I'm very happy so far. Just waiting for this to be put back together now, so I can drive away, and then I can update you further on how I found it. You know, once we've got it all back together. But yeah, stay tuned, and I will get back to you.
So here we are, guys, all up and running after the wet belt snapped. I'm very happy with how it's running as well. Very happy.
Good morning. So Saturday morning, I'm here to collect my van. It's outside now, as you can see. Bonnet's still up. I need to go in and check with Phil, but he's confirmed that everything is spot on. It's running perfectly fine. So here we are. Here we have it. Okay, we're just going to go in, speak to Phil, get the keys, get an update, and take it from there. So that's all sorted. I'm going to take it in for a wash now. So it's got the new wet belt kit, the head spin sorted out, the valves. What I'm going to do is all the work that's been carried out to it, because Phil's kindly put it on an invoice, I will share that in the description below. But you need to keep an eye on wet belts on these. They do go for fun, unfortunately. I've learned it the hard way now. And the service and everything else, we need to keep up with this vehicle, or any faults of this either. Thank you very much, Phil, for sorting it out, buddy. I'm going to leave Phil's contact information, guys, in the description below. Amazing fella, very knowledgeable. As you can see, it seems like a bloody Ford showroom here, because that's all he does all day long. Engine work, services, you name it, Phil does it. Amazing. The price as well, I personally feel it's well worth the money he charged. So that's where we are with it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line, and please, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. That means a lot. You take care. Bye bye.